Hey guys, it's Ray from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today to take a quick look at the TORRAS Slim Fit case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, unfortunately, it is not in our budget this year to get a real Note 10 Plus, so we are going to be using this dummy device today. For those of you who aren't familiar with them, dummy devices are devices that are sent to case manufacturers so that they can have these cases ready to ship before the device starts shipping to customers. And for all intents and purposes, this is a real device. It just doesn't turn on when you press the power button. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the cases themselves, and as you can see here, there are a couple of different color options. Here we have clear, blue, and black. There are other options available on their website and Amazon, and we will have links to those in the video description down below. Now the cases are a slim TPU case, so they are very flexible before you put them on, and they provide a great gripping surface so that when you're holding the case, it's not going to just be falling out of your hand. And then with this clear panel here on the back, you're able to show off the device while still keeping it protected. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get this phone here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean that off real quick, make sure that there's no fingerprints or smudges on there. And then we're going to put it on. I'm particularly fond of this blue color. I really like that accent, and I think it just looks really awesome with the clear case and with the black device. So we're going to use that for our video. Now here on the side, you do have your power and your volume buttons, so you want to make sure you put those in first to prevent any damage to them. And then you hear that nice satisfying pop when you get that on all the way. As you can see there, it sits very flush to the device. It fits very comfortably and very snugly, and it doesn't get in the way of the curve there so that you're not going to have any issues using it with that curved screen. However, there is a slight lip here at the bottom and the top of the device that allows you to set it face down without having to worry about that screen getting scratched up. Here on the side, we do have those buttons for the power and the volume. They maintain their natural clickiness, and there's no issues using those, or at least I assume there's no issues using those because the device won't actually power on. However, from using cases like these in the past, I don't think there's going to be any problems. Here up top, we have cutouts for your noise canceling mics, and here on the bottom, we have cutout for the USB-C charging port, the speaker, the S Pen, and the microphone. Now, unfortunately, because it is a dummy device, this S Pen doesn't come out, but there is a little notch here so that when you're using it, you can just push on that and you can pop it out without any problems. And then here on this side, we have two little holes for a lanyard if you want to use one. And then here on the back, we do have the cutouts for the cameras, the flash, and the other sensors. And as you can see there, there is the cutout, but around that cutout, there is that slightly raised lip so that the same thing as the front here. You can set that down, you don't have to worry about the cameras getting scratched up. So one last thing I want to point out is that there are some fingerprints on the back of this case here. This case is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. It's not as bad as some other ones I've used, but it does tend to attract fingerprints. Now, those aren't as obvious in normal lighting. The lights I have here in the studio do tend to make that stand out a little bit more, so that's not something that you're going to be seeing on a daily basis. However, it is just something I want to make you guys aware of. And as you can see there, those wipe off super easily. If you're looking for a great case that doesn't cost a lot of money, that looks great on the phone, allows you to show it off, allows you to protect it, and most importantly, allows you to grip it so that you're not going to be dropping it in the first place, I would highly recommend the TORRAS Slim Fit case. It is an awesome case, and it goes for about $18 on Amazon. I will have links in the video description down below so you can order some for yourself. So if you guys have any questions about this case, about the phone, or about anything else under the sun, feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.